Okay, I have used this OpenDots ONE, and I want to tell you about the difference between another form factors and why is it really comfort, because every YouTubers are saying it. So let's find out. Wait, I'm gonna start with this unboxing video, and if you want to skip the unboxing video, just skip it and go to 2 weeks impression. Okay, let's start. Here you go, just try put it away. And here is the little grip that I can take it off. Just with the paper. Yeah, it looks like a paper. And here is this case. Take it out. What's inside the case? Okay. There is the app to download and some serial number that I can't show you, and the instructions. And this is another, I don't know, I can't read Chinese. And here is the English and Chinese together, and so I can read it right now. And all the information is inside. And let's see the product. And here is this case. I really love to buy the case by the official one. I really couldn't find it, and everywhere is sold out. So if there is any way to find out, please let me know. And let's open the product. It's here. I was really curious about this part is that this product has no left and right. If you turn it on, this left and right exactly goes where it has to be. All right, I have used this about a 2 week, not a full 2 week, about 12 days. And I have some impressions that why the YouTubers really like it, and they have reviewed this product about the good things. So let's start with the weight. With this inside the ears and the case in here, it is really light. And even though when I wear it inside in my ears, yeah, actually most of YouTubers are saying that it feels like nothing, but it's not nothing. If I haven't even tried the earrings, but it feels like something is holding in my ears. Not that heavy, but you can feel it. It is really comfort. Like in my sentence, putting 2 speakers on left and right, and it is right there. And you can hear everything from the background. So that's the really good thing about this earphone. And I haven't tried about this form factors, like this styles of earphone. It looks like clipping on my ears, but not that clip, just holes in my ears, and that's really good. Okay, so next, about when your environments. Like there are some kind of environments that you can put your ears, but the first one was the driving. When you're driving in the car, like if you put your AirPods Pro in your ear and like driving, like I haven't felt that it is really comfort, because it feels like dangerous. It's because I can hear the backgrounds and I couldn't like move it. I know some kind of people can say, why don't you use the car speaker? Yeah, that's right, but I have kids and they're watching, they're hearing their music, and that's some kind of work that like I can't hear my contents. I just felt like with this earphone, I didn't really felt dangerous when I was driving, because I can hear the like beeps or any like car sounds or anything else is on the background. I can hear it, so I can like care about the background circumstances that are coming to me. So when I was driving, it felt really good, better than AirPods. And when I was running, it really felt like a light to me. But on the running, you have to focus on the front, or so you can run and you're moving around your heads. When I wasn't wearing the AirPod, I was like holding my breath inside so I can like breath out. But when I was wearing this, it didn't really felt like it. And I really get wet when I was running. Besides it was wet, this earphone was really not that bothered. It's really comfort when I was running. And when I was like working on my computer, I have some little disappointment about this product is that when I was using Mac and this device is connected to the Bluetooth, it has a little bit delay when it starts. When you play the music, it goes like that. So it starts with a low voice and goes to the like original volume, and it doesn't really stop with the original volume. So when I like start it, it just goes up. So I really catch up with this when I was editing the videos. I really didn't like to edit with this. So if you want to listen to constant music, you never stop, and you continuously like listening it, it will be fine. It doesn't really matter. But when I use the editing, like I have to stop everything and I have to go, stop, go, stop, go. When I go everything, it likes volumes bottom to up. It goes every time. So I really didn't like of those things. So I never used this when I was editing the video. Okay, that was all my circumstances. Like I was tested and I was editing this my OpenDots ONE, and I couldn't find a really good case of this earphone. I really wanted to find this good earphone cases about this OpenDots ONE, and on the OpenDots ONE official homepage, there's not any other cases left there, so I couldn't buy that. I bought this because the YouTubers are saying, hey, this form factor is really good, it's really comfort, and it sounds really good. Oh, about the sound. The sound is really not bad about this. I really don't have a really good ear checking the sounds of it, but this earphone, like I expected, it was not really good. But when I was testing it, I can't forget the first music with this earphone, because when I was testing it, like, what? Is sounds coming from here? Yeah, it feels like that. It looks weird, but the sound is really good. When you turn the Dolby Atmos in here, it sounds better, but I can't really have difference about those two. Some kind of vivid, but I've tested this like over 100 times, but I really didn't catch about that one. And yeah, how does it look? It feels not bad, yeah. That's the 2 weeks impression about my SHOKZ OpenDots ONE. And okay, there are some kind of this like same form factors that are HUAWEI, BOSE, and some kind of those products. The BOSE is expensive, and these SHOKZ, I used it with this OpenCom 2 lately. I really believe this company, so I wanted to test it out. And YouTuber says it's really good, and it feels not bad. I will keep it every day and I'll use it every day. Unless if I needed like noise cancellation, I'll use the AirPods. I love this product. If you have some stores that you can test with this device, test this one. It feels really different. Okay, that's for my review. And if you liked it, please thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching. See you next time.